What's going on YouTube? WestHobbiesRC. Today we are back with a SAB Mini Comet, the fastest mini helicopter around. This thing is a model that I have always wanted. Now I have one coming, two coming that are this size and maybe a little bigger, so those videos will be coming very soon. But I am very excited on this helicopter. Now the build is a stock SAB Mini Comet 2021 version with Icon FPL unit, 6S 1000 milliamp battery. It has the competition motor on the newer versions and a SRXL2. Now you can see what I did with the antennas coming out the back, drilled some holes, ran some tubes so that way get the antennas far away from all carbon fiber. We are flying on the Spectrum IX-14. Let's go ahead, spool up, see how she flies, and do some speed runs.
Normal.
I'm very excited, and this is going to be a little bit of practice for my big one. So now we are in normal 3D mode as far as setup. Now this helicopter can do 3D, but it is made to go fast.
That's one.
Oh,
Normal.
we need to turn gain down real quick. So let's go ahead, turn gain down.
Hold.
So we turn gain down on all three flight modes. So let's go ahead and spool up again. Now, depending on how you set your Mini Comet up is going to depend on your gain. All right.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right, let's do what this thing's made for. Idle up one. All right, high head speed. Let's do a speed pass.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right, we got to
That's one.
turn gain down a little more.
Normal.
Let's turn gain down again and do another speed pass.
Hold.
All right, we turned it down quite a bit. Let's spool up. Thing got some crazy power.
That's one. Stud 2. Stud 1.
Woo!
1 minute.
What an awesome helicopter.
20 seconds.
Super stable. All right, let's go ahead and land.
10. Hold.
Wow, the SAB Mini Comet. So not bad for the maiden flight. We need to adjust the gain a little bit more, wait for a day where the sun is not on that end of the field so we can actually go. And then I think we're gonna go into this end of the field because it's really long this way, so we can come out of this corner and do a full rip speed pass that way. So this thing is awesome. I can't wait for mine to be here. It will be here very soon, and I can get some more flights on this one, get used to mine, and then get used to the big one because that one is extremely fast. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this quick little video. Remember, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Take it and have a great day.